PJ here with Mark.It Graphics, the division of 911 Rapid Response, showing you a graphics job that we did today on a Seagrave Apparatus. This is an older apparatus that was brought to us. The company bought it from another company, so all the graphics had to be stripped off of it. In this case, the customer did that part for us, but we can do that and we'll do that for you as well. So all the striping was removed, and we added the new striping, which we used their scheme that they currently have on a Tahoe that we actually built here for them as well a couple months ago. So I replaced the number, of course, all the striping down the side of the vehicle, and added their name and the Maltese cross. And the striping is all reflective. The center stripe here with the red is actually all printed as well. This is one piece versus overlaying, and we just matched as close as we could to the apparatus color to make it look like it actually is two pieces when it's not. Here on the doors, as I said, we have the name. On the other door we have the Maltese cross. This is our imitation gold leaf material that we print, so therefore again it is one piece. It's not separate black piece with gold leaf, it is all one piece. And same thing with the Maltese cross that we do for them on their back door here, all one piece, printed black on the imitation gold leaf. Let's come around the side. You can see we like to go in, as we do on ours, go in and around to give us, so you don't have those edges on the sides. And also then, if there's any gaps, you can, it looks like the stripe continues. It don't have that space of vehicle color that you see. On the back here, when they removed some of this, they removed some of the graphics because of it. It had a similar engine and the other company's number, so they had to remove that striping along with the chevron striping, so we just had the yellow left over. So we had to replace about 2/3 of the chevron striping, and along with their engine 21 to match their number and company. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook, Mark.It Graphics.